Hi, I'm Dr. Rohn Rigby of Ogden Clinic Medical Weight Loss. And today I want to talk to you about a great product that I've used for most of the time I've been doing obesity medicine, and that's Keto Chow. It's a great tool. Why? Has great protein, has electrolytes, and you get to control the fats. They help in a lot of different ways for people who are trying to do a low carb ketogenic based diet to help us with obesity or with metabolic health. Is helping control your insulin by keeping your insulin level lower. It can definitely help. So that's where a low carb ketogenic based diet can be very beneficial. And it helps us in that journey, but also help us with the maintenance of weight loss. So great products from a variety of different flavors. Also have savory ones that help when things get a little bit colder or we want soups or other types of foods. They also have other ways of adding electrolytes to water, coffee, tea, or other drinks. Also minerals, which is a key aspect in a low carb ketogenic based diet, because when we lower your insulin, we're now getting rid of salts. Your kidneys get rid of it, so we need to add some more. So with their products, it definitely helps in that way. I highly support them, and I think it's a great source for my patients. I talk to patients on a regular basis about it. So again, they're a great product that can help you on your journey of a weight loss, if that's the reason, or help maintain your weight loss or other metabolic health issues.